In a room filled with love, memories take flight. Family and friends gathered tonight. We celebrate a life so full and bright. Clarence Vogel's spirit in every light. To Clarence we raise a cheer, a life of love forever near. In our hearts your light will stay, and celebrating you in every wind. Stories unfold of days gone by. With a smile and a tear we laugh and we cry. Through the highs and the lows you were our guide. In every shared moment we feel your pride. With family around and friends so dear, we toast to your journeys through every year. Your legacy lives on in each one of us, in the love that we share, in the bonds of trust. So here's to the man whose love never ends, in the circle of family and the warmth of friends. Clarence Vogel, forever in our